everyone, welcome back to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here again. I'm going to share with you. It is about Phonics Worksheet. So before introduce this Phonics Worksheet, make sure that your kids should know the phonics sound of each letter. To know about the phonics sound of each letter, it is already there in my channel and link already I have shared it in my description box. You can go through that link that how you can introduce the phonics sound of each letter to your kids. So it is based on that I have made this worksheet. So it is about phonics worksheet. So phonics means the sound of each letter. So now let's start this video. So you can see here it's a picture of a P and P sounds P. P sounds P. So what you have to do, you have to match it, this letter P match with the picture. You have to see where you have to match. Like P says pumpkin, P says pumpkin. So you can match it here. P, pumpkin. P, pencil, P, pencil. This is a picture of an apple, so you cannot match with letter P. It's an apple, apple. So no, we cannot match it with the letter P. Next one, this is a picture of a watermelon. So watermelon also, watermelon, watermelon. So we cannot match it here. This one is a picture of a pineapple, pineapple. So you can match it here, pineapple. Next one is match the capitals to the small letters and to the picture with the beginning sound. So here with the capital letters you have to match it with the small letters and also with the pictures. T says T. T says T. So this is capital T, T, and here is a small t, T, and T, tree, T, tree. So you have to match it with tree. Next one, A says apple. A says apple. Now you have to find it out. Here is a small a. You have to match it with a small a. A says apple. Next one is H. H says hat. Sorry, here not hat. Hut. H says hut. H says hut. So you have to match it with the small one and then with the picture. H says hut. Next one is P. P says P. P says P. So P says P. P for pencil and with the small letter P. P says P. P for pencil. Next one is P. App says F. App says F. So you have to match it with the small f and app says fish. App says fish. F says fish. Next one is B. B says ball. B says ball. So you have to match it here with a ball. And where is the small b? Here. B says B. Next one here, color the beginning sound. So here I have drawn some picture and here according to this picture you have to find it out the phonics sound. This is a picture of a book. Book says B. B. So where is B? B says B and B for book. So you have to color letter B. Next one, this is a picture of an orange. So orange, orange, O for orange. So O says orange, O. So you have to color this letter O. Next one, it's a picture of a cat. K says cat, K for cat. So K, C says K and C for cat. M says so M is not the correct one and Z says Z, it's not the correct one. So K, C says K, so you have to color this letter C. Next one, this is a picture of a hat. H So hat starts with H. So which letter starts with H? So it's letter H. H says H. H says H. So you have to color letter H here. So hat, H for hat. H for hat. So here you have to match it with this picture and with the given beginning letters. This is a picture of a butterfly. Butterfly. So you have to match it with B. Mango. Mango. So mango says So you have to match it with M. Pencil. Pencil. So you have to match it here with P. Tree. Tree. So you have to match it here with T. B says bat. B says bat. So B. Hat. Hat. So you have to match it with H. Fish. 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 So you have to match it here with F. Then this is a picture of a gate. 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 Circle the letter that start with picture. So you have to here also, according to the picture, you have to circle the beginning sound. Kite. So you have to circle letter K. Next one, it's a picture of a fan. Fan. So letter F is the correct one. Hut. Says hut. So which one you have to circle? Letter H. Next one, ball. Ball. So B. This one, octopus. Octopus. So letter O. Next one is, it's a picture of a glass. 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 So G for glass. Next one is tree. Tree. So the correct one is T. So here you have to write the first letter. So here also I have drawn some picture and you have to write the first letter. It's a picture of a hand. So hand start with letter H. H-A-N-D, hand. Orange. So orange, orange. So you have to write here O, orange. Next it's a picture of a glass. Glass. G, letter G. Glass. This one is a picture of a triangle. Triangle. So T, right here T. Next one is butterfly. Butterfly. So you have to write here B. Butterfly. Ball. Ball. So you have to here write here B for B says B. Hut. Hut. So you have to write here H. H says hut. Next, apple. Apple. So write here A. This one is a picture of a flower. 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 Next one is sun. It's a picture of a sun. 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 It's a picture of a star. 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 It's a picture of an umbrella. 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 So this is all about phonics worksheet. So if you find this worksheet helpful, then please give a like to this video, share it, comment it, and if you haven't subscribed my channel Somna Kids World, then please subscribe it because I'll be bringing such type of contents and worksheet for you all. Thank you for watching this video.